The wire shop here at Stevens is very personable. We're a family. We enjoy what we do. I'm Sandy Macnab. I work here at Stevens Aviation. I'm in the quality department and also for the military programs and for the wire harness shop. And I've been here 16 years. So, I mean, I've kind of worked my way up from an installer to avionics technician to quality. And now here we are making changes here in the quality department, making sure everything is on time, on budget, on target. So you kind of have to put in all those three things to what you're trying to do here. When you say fly-by-wire, I mean everything that you do, to even turn the airplane on, you have to flick a switch. You have to do something that involves a wire in anything that we do to even get this going. Yeah, the shell's important, the fuselage is important, but it's the wiring. It's when you hit the switch, you want the light to come on. When you want to see a video, you want that to come on. So I think in that respect, it really comes down to the heart of an aircraft.